Have you ever stood in the desert and from a distance you saw the dancing of lightning, the swirl of gray clouds, as if they're creating a perfect harmony from the ethers and Mother Earth? And it's a beautiful thing until it starts coming your way. As the storm approaches, you begin to feel the power, the energy. The rain begins to fall. The thunder begins to appear as if it's within you. The lightning begins to dance all around you, and you find yourself in this beautiful, energetic vortex. In this video, we're going to explore the spiritual significance and the energetic power of Joshua Tree's lightning storms, what they symbolize, how you can use them to tap into your own energy, and how you can transform in this. So if you are a spiritual and energetic chaser, ready to up level your energy, join us as we explore the magical power of lightning storms in Joshua Tree. My name is Christy Bergonzi. I am a Reiki Master Teacher and a psychic channel. And on this channel, we explore together the spirituality in Joshua Tree, the energy, the transformation. So let's get started. So let's talk about the symbolism of lightning. Lightning is an illumination effect. It's a flash of truth. It's sudden clarity. It's divine downloads. Lightning carries the energy of the ethers, the divine, the highest vibration. Mother Earth is a negative charged energy. So the symbolism of balance, it's not just symbolizing tranquility and ease, the yin and the yang, the positive to the negative, the neutrality, which is optimal if you are an energy healer, worker, or desire to hop into knowing more about energy or spirituality. It's the balance and the making good of energy. It's a beautiful thing. Lightning connecting with Mother Earth symbolizes union, the heart chakra, activation, bringing the power and insights, clarity, and divine downloads to you from the ethers as it ripples through Mother Earth's energetic layer, balancing her, bringing her to serenity and peace, and you as well. When was the last time you had a sudden insight, like lightning striking your earth plane? Everything we experience here in Joshua Tree and on earth in general is a representation of what's happening within. So when we harness lightning, especially out in the desert, it's like unlike anything you've ever experienced. The smell, the vibration, it's magic. It really is magic. Now let's talk more about the energy of lightning storms in Joshua Tree. Joshua Tree is unique in the sense that the rocks, the stones, the boulders, the desert land, the animals within, it vibrates at a different energetic resonance than other places. The silence, the ancient land that holds wisdom, secrets, knowledge. During lightning storms, it awakens back up. We're all made of energy, and so is Mother Earth. When you get shocked back to life, if you're hanging on, That's the shock of life back into Mother Earth. Think about that. And to be present in that moment in Joshua Tree is unlike anything I've ever experienced. We had a lightning storm this morning. This is the aftermath of the storm. So how can we harness the energy? Storms are here as raw power, cleansing, charging, activating. For sensitive and spiritual seekers, this is the prime optimal weather pattern for you to break free from your blocks. Thunder, that vibration, that bold releasing of the tension, harnessing that, and then activating when lightning strikes. The best part about Joshua Tree is that you don't have to wait an hour to see one strike. During a lightning storm here in Joshua Tree, especially North Joshua Tree, you get to sit and watch as they dance right in front of you. Of course, keep a safe distance, preferably inside. So during the storm, find your breath. Connect with the thunder to release and activate your new intentions with the striking of lightning. Come up with one thing that you would like to let go of and to activate. And the next time you are in Joshua Tree during a lightning storm, activate, let go, revive, recharge. And if you can't make it during a lightning storm, comment below, I want the meditation and activation. And I will send you a direct channeled energetic healing from the beautiful spiritual land and sacred space of Joshua Tree. Thank you for joining me today. If you like what you heard, saw, like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And in closing, whenever you're out at Joshua Tree, explore, get out in nature. There's so much spirituality and energy within every inch of this amazing sacred land.